One of the cheapest ascorbic acid in the market. Be Well C, Vitamin C, ascorbic acid plus zinc. Ito ang pantapat sa mga leading brands na kung saan abot kaya ang halaga ng per tablet or per piece na capsule na Be Well C. Hello everybody, my name is Anthony, and in this video, we are going to discuss yung ascorbic acid version ng Be Well C plus zinc. Kamakailan lang, nung last year, diniscuss ko and linag ko ang Be Well C Sodium Ascorbate. Ito po yung non-acidic vitamin C na the cheapest so far in the market na nakita ko na sodium ascorbate na brand. Pero, ito yung ascorbic acid version ng Be Well C. So, as in, isa ito sa mga most trusted brands, the cheapest brands, and the most reliable because effective siya, branded pa siya, tapos abot kaya sa bunsa. And then, ang isa sa pinaka-interesting part dito is meron siyang zinc dahil ang zinc is an effective combination sa ascorbic acid para mas mataas yung level ng protection mo, para mas mapabilis yung immune system mo na magkaroon ng shield against pathogens such as bacteria, parasites, fungi, tapos ang mga viruses such as COVID-19. So, presenting to you etong 100 na pieces na box na Be Well C. But before anything else, I would like to thank Be Well C. Ayan, meron po silang binigay sa akin na Be Well C, which is etong ascorbic acid na vitamin C. I would like to say thank you for reaching me out and sponsoring me this video. So, ang laman ng pack na ito is Be Well C acidic, yung ascorbic acid version ng vitamin C, I'm sorry. And then, etong mangosteen, Vitasteen by Be Well C din. But I'm going to have a separate video for this one. But anyway, we are going to concentrate more on ascorbic acid version ng Be Well C. So, sa unang tingin ko, I thought sodium ascorbate din siya with zinc. But then, ascorbic acid siya. Kaya, ayan yung difference. Ang difference lang kasi niyan is if you have an irritable na stomach or may problema kayo sa gastritis or may condition kayo sa stomach nyo na kung saan medyo nagkakaroon kayo ng hyperacidity, na frequent na hyperacidity, mas okay sa inyo ang sodium ascorbate para sa mga acidic. Pero kapag hindi naman kayo acidic, pwede at okay na rin tong ascorbic acid. Tapos haluan mo pa ng zinc. Kaya mas pinalakas at mas pinatibay na immunity para sa COVID-19 protection. Dahil ngayon is increasing pa rin ang ating cases ng pandemic. That's why it's important for us to increase our immunity with Be Well C, Vitamin C, ascorbic acid with zinc. So, magkano nga ba ang isang per piece nito? Ang average na ilalagay ko dito is 5 pesos per piece, but depende yan sa seller. Merong seller na mas mura yung benta, meron din yung ibang seller na mas mahal yung benta. But, ito pa rin ang isa sa mga cheapest na ascorbic acid na available sa mga pharmacy, Mercury Drug, and of course, sa online stores such as sa Lazada and Shopee. That's why I'm going to, ayan, merong link below na kung saan, kung wala kayong time na pumunta sa labas, mas maganda kasi kapag loob na lang, ayan, sa Shopee and Lazada na lang kayo bumili dahil maraming legit na ganito. And so far, wala namang fake na Be Well C. So, hopefully, wala namang fake, but I believe wala pang fake na sindikatong nagka-counterfeit sa mga product ng Be Well C. Ayun. So anyway, we are going to flip this camera para to have a closer look ng product na ito. So, ta-da! Now with zinc. Ascorbic acid plus zinc, Be Well C, Zinc Protect. Ayan. And then vitamin and mineral. So, parang tissue. Parang yung tissue, di ba? Yung lalagyan niya, ang cute. Natuwa ako dito. And then, do not accept if tab has been taken. So, if this tab has been taken, never accept the product. So, this bag contains 100 capsules. Tapos, if-flip natin kung ano ang pwede natin i-explore dito sa product na ito. So, ayan, 444.5 mg plus 10 mg capsule, vitamin and mineral. Tapos, hanapin natin yung contents niya dito sa may, ayan, indication for the treatment and prevention of vitamin C and zinc deficiencies. Tapos, andito yung formulation niya, which is ascorbic acid, 444.5 mg, plus zinc na 10 mg. So, dosage niya is take 1 to 2 capsules a day with beverage or meal or as prescribed by the physician. But, kami kasing frontliners, umaabot kami ng 3 per day because syempre exposed kami directly sa mga patients na may COVID-19. So mas malakas ang aming exposure and at risk for na may infect. Ayan. So the storage, store at room temperature not exceeding at 30 degrees Celsius kasi maluluto siya. Mawawala yung potency kapag masyadong mainit. Protect from heat, light, and moisture. And do not refrigerate. Kasi kapag sobrang lamig, masisira din yung potency niya. And I am thankful kasi, o diba, matagal pa yung expiration nila dito. Yung iba kasi nagsisend ng product na next month na pala yung expiration. But this one is not. So, November 20 siya ginawa, mag-expire siya November 2022. And ayan, Be Well. Nutraceuticals Corporation. Andyan yung number nila if you have any questions sa product. So, be safe, be sure, and be well. O, diba? So, ang ganda ng motto nila sa kanilang company. So, Be Well C, same din dito. And, ganyan. And then, syempre, bubuksan na natin to sa next clip. Kaya, in here, bubuksan natin. Parang ayoko pang butasan to, but ito kasi nakabuka na siya. But, wala na tayong magagawa, guys. Buksan na natin. Yes, buksan na muna natin to para to have a closer look. Titignan natin kung ano nga ba ang pwedeng. Ba't parang ayaw niya? So, anyway, dito na lang tayo bubukas. Bubuksan natin sa side. Ayoko pa masira yung ano niya. Yan. So, it's like that pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since 100 siya, I assume 20 ang laman niya per mat. So, bubuksan natin siya dito. Oh. So 10 pieces pala na ganito. Oh, di ba? Naloka ako. Ayan. So, it's like that. Parang pinaliit na ganito. And then, bubuksan mo is like that. Oh, di ba? It's so, parang reddish or yung coat niya. Ganyan yung capsule. And then, Be Well C, ganyan yung nasa likod niya. Tapos, bubuksan natin itong capsule. So, bubuksan natin itong capsule. Itong blister pack pala. Ayan. So, it's like that. And, yan, yung capsule. So, mas maamoy yung mga ascorbic acid na capsule or tablet as compared sa sodium ascorbate. Lesser yung amoy ng sodium ascorbate, but ito mas malakas yung amoy nila. Merong konti yung amoy ng orange or lemon, basta ganon, yung medyo maasim na sweet. Merong konti dito. So, yun yung distinguishable smell ng mga ascorbic acid na capsule. So, wait lang guys, kukuha ako ng tubig para inumin natin to for immunity. Ayan, kakukuha ko lang ng isang basong tubig and it is color orange. Para makita nyo, para maniwala kayo na kumuha ako ng tubig. Ayan, so may tubig and kaparehas niya yung kulay ng capsule. So, cheers! Yan. Kaya, iinom muna tayo. Tapos, at least 10 glasses of waters or drink at least 10 glasses of water a day. Ayun lang. 10 glasses of waters a day para ma-replenish yung katawan nyo and to sustain yung efficiency ng functions ng ating cells, tissues, organs in the body. Ayan guys, so my verdict for these products, itong product, yung ascorbic acid, and of course, itong sodium ascorbate is siguro kung 12/10 pwede kasi it helps a lot in boosting our immune system. Kailangan talaga natin mag-boost ng immune system. Alam niyo ba, kapag hindi ako nagtitake ng vitamin C after 3 days, nagkakaroon ako ng madali akong masipon. So, nagka-cough ako agad, ganon. Kaya, it's important na mag-take ng vitamin C every day, kahit twice a day lang. Pero kami kasi twice a day pag nasa hospital because of yung exposure ng different kinds of diseases. And yes, kung gusto nyo pang mag-suggest ng ibang products na i-review ko, comment down below. And of course, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa channel ko, The Star of Anthony and The Star of Anthony Vlogs. Tapos, reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Thank you and sana nagustuhan nyo itong video ko on Be Well C, ascorbic acid, vitamin C with zinc. So, keep safe and huwag maging pasaway. Mwah!